Hi everyone, it's Hanna, the founder of Sonic Yoga. This month we are going to talk about this concept of being a seeker, right? Like, what does it mean to be a yoga practitioner and then to take things to the next level beyond just mastering the yoga poses, but really understanding the deeper philosophy of yoga, the deeper practices of yoga, and how you can use this amazing wisdom, this 5,000-year-old tradition, to learn to grow and evolve as a human being, right? And how important it is to have a yoga mentor, a teacher, a guide, someone that can support you along your journey, that can give you direction, that can give you feedback, that can keep you motivated, that can keep you focused on your intention and what it is that you want to manifest in this lifetime, and how you want to see yourself grow and expand as a human being, as a person, and how we can all learn to be better, right? Better in so many different ways. I have always been a seeker. I've been on the spiritual path since my early 20s. Actually, I started yoga when I was in college. I think I was 18 years old. And I find myself now, much later in life, constantly seeking new information, new ways to learn. I just found a new teacher. I'm so excited to start studying with her. And it is another way to kind of light up your life, right? To bring joy in, to kind of buffer the stagnation and the monotony and the grind of the work that we're all doing and this life that we're living. And it's a way to feed our soul, and an easy way for you all to get this beautiful mentoring and to satisfy that desire of seeking is to join the Sonic Yoga Teacher Training Program. So we're starting in January. It's really exciting. If you sign up now, you're going to get free yoga all the way up until that point, and lots of other beautiful benefits. So I encourage you to check it out, and wishing you all happy seeking. Sending you lots of love, and namaste.